pleasure doing business with you, sir. Thank
Wait,
you.
where you going with my bag, man? What the fuck you doing?
That's my bag.
Get out of here. I just laid it down. You just walked up here and tried to take my fucking bag. What are you doing?
Do you understand?
Get the fuck out of here, man.
Is this the dead baby in there?
Ain't no dead baby around here. You crazy?
What do you mean? Do you know who I am?
I don't give a fuck who you are, man. This is my bag. Get out of
You
here.
keep talking to me like
Look,
that, your family
I
will
ain't
never
worried
find
about
you.
Or don't worry about it. I'll take care of myself.
This is not your bag, you're telling me.
No.
Are you sure?
I'm positive. I saw you just come up here and try to take it.
Are you sure?
I'm positive.
Give me the bag.
Get the fuck out of here, man, before I hit you. Don't make me fucking hit you.
This is not yours, you
Get
tell
the
me.
fuck away from me, man.
This is not yours? This is not yours.
Maybe I did make a mistake. I don't know. Maybe.
Oh, all of a sudden you want to talk. Listen to me.
No.
Are you
I'm
the
just
right
saying.
guy?
Yeah.
What's
you
the
talked-
code?
You spoke to me last
What's
night.
the password for this code?
Intersect.
Huh, good one.
Try to hook me up with something, man. I mean, you know, you made a mistake and
You were just so mad at me.